Did you know that your glute, the tone, the tension, its ability to power up is heavily related to your adductors? All the muscles that run from your heel right up into your core. This is how you test them and then wake them up and gradually build their strength. Side plank is what we're looking for. It's the top leg that's going to be in contact with the ground. So the inside of the heel, you don't commonly use that area. You will need to have some kind of protection. A mat's ideal, a cushion. Play with that. It's not this, guys. I don't want the foot fully supinated. I almost want the heel pronating as much as we can. So opening the inside of the joint. Elbow, hand here. You bring yourself with this leg in contact with the ground up into a side plank. We're looking for the core to hold and support ourselves with the hip as high as we can get it. Our goal is for 3 10-second holds with the bottom leg off the ground. You can bend the knee back and forward and play with that. If that's too hard, keep this leg on the ground, gradually take pressure off that leg. So you move from 50-50 to 80-20 to 100%. For extras, you can play with your ability to move your body while this core is supporting that leg through the adductors. So it looks like this. You're up, that leg's there, we go out in front, we go behind. Kind of mimics what we do when we walk, when we run. Do both sides. Guarantee you'll find one that needs more work. It'll translate to that glute being more supple. That's how you pro-hab yourself.